strangely enough, by C.B. Colby. The Seabird. Phantom ships and vanished crews have always added to the mystery of the seven seas. On a strip of land near Newport, Rhode Island, there was a little settlement known as Easton's Beach. Only a few farmers and some fishermen and their families made their homes there. One day in 1880, a fisherman working on his boat near shore suddenly sighted a full-rigged ship of good size heading straight for land. He thought it very odd that such a large ship under full sail should make no attempt to turn away or head along the coast, but was coming steadily and directly for shore in the onshore breeze. He called to the other fishermen nearby and ran to the settlement above the beach to tell the rest of the people about the approaching vessel. Soon everyone was on the beach, watching in helpless silence as the strange ship came on as though determined to wreck itself, its canvas straining and flags snapping at the mastheads. With horror, the spectators heard the grating of the hull upon the bottom as it struck. Yet the ship still bore down, keeping straight on course as it cut a keel groove in the sandy ocean bottom. When it finally came to rest, it was still on an even keel, with the bowsprit almost over their heads. Then they recognized the ship. It was the Seabird, under the able command of Captain John Husham. It had been to Honduras, and was expected that very day in Newport. Not a sound came from the decks. At once, the crowd went on board to explain the mystery. But it only deepened. Coffee still boiled on the galley stove. Food for breakfast was on the table. All navigation instruments and charts were in order, yet there was no trace of the crew, nor any indication of when, why, or where they had gone. The only living thing aboard the Seabird was a mongrel dog, shivering on the deck. The sea had been calm, the breeze fine, and the Seabird had been almost exactly on course for Newport. The crew must have left only shortly before the ship appeared on the horizon. But why should they have left the ship when they were so close to their home and families? Only heaven and a mongrel dog knew what had happened aboard the Seabird that sunny morning.